Is this the right? Hold on, this may not be the right pamphlet. Hi peoples, welcome to my channel, Bernie Playing with Makeup. My name is Bernadette. All my friends and subscribers call me Bernie, so if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. How's everyone doing? Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, and if you are new, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. I know it's been a minute, but I'm so excited to be back. And in today's video, I know technically it's almost winter, but I only just received my Fabfit fall box. So we are going to be doing a quick unboxing of my Fabfit fall. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing of my Fabfit fall box. If you are not familiar with Fabfit is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. We get them every quarter. You get it every quarter. The cost of it is about $50, give or take, if you pay for it quarterly, but you can also subscribe annually and you get a little break if you get an annual subscription. It's $179, so it's a little bit less than the $50 that you would pay if you do it quarterly. And also there are some perks to being a select member. You do get to customize, I believe, 5 of the items, and for a seasonal subscriber, you get to customize, I believe, 3 of the items. If that information is not correct, I will put that in the description bar. I will also leave a link in the description bar if you are interested in subscribing in Fabfit. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna go right ahead and jump into it. So this is what the box looks like. Fabfit recently changed their boxes because they are now using recyclable boxes because they're trying to be environmentally conscious. That's the word, conscious? Okay, that's it, okay. So this is what the box looks like. In every box, there's always a pamphlet that gives you a little bit more information about the products that are in your box. Give me 1 minute. I should have put a chair on the side of me, but it's late and my brain has stopped working when it gets late. So I didn't get to customize this box at all, so everything that's in this box was chosen for me. So I don't think I know what's in this box. Okay, so what I see is this here, and this is, what is it? It's a Nectar sunscreen blue light blocking glasses, and the value of this is $45. So I think what this is for is you put it on when you're using your computer or when you're using your smartphone, your iPad, whatever. And let's try it on. How do I look? It's kind of big. I always wear glasses. I do wear glasses, but I always wear glasses that are small. And I'm looking into the monitor. I can tell you, I can't see nothing. This is supposed to block. It's supposed to block the blue lights from the device, but this is blocking not just the blue light. This is blocking everything. But anyway, this is $45. And next is this little pack with these 3 little hairpins, clips, I guess, like decorative clips. Let me see if I can find them on here. Here it is, here. Other reasonable runway clip trio. Pin your hair into position with this trio of what? $32? This says it costs what? $32. Normally, I just go on the websites for brands. Whenever I get a subscription box, I just go on the website and I check it out to see this I'm definitely gonna have to go and check out because there's nothing extraordinary. Let's open it. Come on, girl, let's open it. There's nothing extraordinary. There's nothing extraordinary about these. I have clips like this, and the only difference is that they don't have this little ceramic thing on this. So 3 of these little ceramic things cost $32. No, I have to check that out. I'm gonna check it out. I mean, they're cute, but I use pins like these to, like, if I'm curling my hair, straightening it, just to separate my hair. I don't. Wow, $32 for this. Fabfit also allows you to buy add-ons, like before at the beginning of a season, you get to buy add-ons. The one thing with Fabfit add-ons that I don't necessarily appreciate is the price. If I compare them with, let's say, BoxyCharm add-ons are very, very reasonable. Not, I shouldn't say reasonable, they're very, very cost efficient. They are like sometimes up to 80% off, whereas Fabfit, not so much. I don't normally add on to Fabfit because it's just expensive. Up next is this. I was wondering what this was because I did take a peek inside the box but didn't really look at anything. Up next is this. And what is it? This is some kind of curling wand. It's a rose gold 25 mm curling wand. Okay, so yeah, this is the curling wand. The value of it is $99. Let's take a peek at it. I've never actually used one of these. I'm growing my hair out, so once it gets back to its length, this may be something I would try. So here is what it looks like. It's, the company is who? Fox Babe. I've never really heard of them. Yeah, I really don't know how to use. I mean, I have an idea how to use it. I think you just wrap your hair around it and then it gives you, if you want those beachy waves, but I think a lot of people use these with their weaves, sorry. So I'll give that a try once my hair grows back out. There's also a bra gel from ABH. This clear bra gel is one of my favorite clear bra gels. I believe this is like $18 if I'm not mistaken, because I do own this. Oh, it's $22. I do own this. I won't be opening it because I already own it. If you want to see it, just give me a minute. So this is what it looks like here. It's just a clear brow gel. A lot comes in this. I already have a backup of this, and I've been using this one for a little while, so now I have a backup on my backup. Next is this thing here, which is what? Also, I try to see if I could locate this in the book. But this is a scarf. This is some kind of scarf from Beyond Yoga, hidden scarf with a pocket. Now, we rarely get scarf weather here. Scarf weather, no. But when we do get them, as soon as the wind blows, we will throw it on. I will tell you that. Okay, all right. So I don't like the material. It's made with like a spandex-like material. I'm not feeling that. So it has a pocket, it says. How does this work? Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't get to customize this box because there are other items here that I would have chosen. Like there's something from Dr. Dennis Gross that I would have chosen. The scarf, by the way, is $59. There are at least 2 other items that I would have preferred over this. So I guess this is where the pocket is here in the front here. Like this isn't something that I would see me actually wearing. I mean on a really cold day. You have those days where it's really cold. Or like I remember a few years back when we traveled to Philadelphia for my doctor's appointment. It was really cold. We ended up going there and catching their worst winter storm of the season. Trust, I don't care how this look, I would have worn it. This here, this pumpkin spice thing, let's see what it says and what they cost. So this is for $20 and it says that it's made with pumpkin extract. The fruit enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin cells and it has vitamin A, C, and E to help reveal radiant skin. So this is like a foot mask, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. That's what this is, and it's $20. The good thing about these subscription boxes is that you get introduced to stuff that you ordinarily would not be introduced to, and then you also get them at a very reduced price. Next thing that's here is this from the beauty shop, and this is, it says Glow Milk. So this Glow Milk is, where is it? Where is it and what is it? I see a picture of it. It is 8C. I'm figuring this out. So this is, it's enriched with coconut. It's a highlighter. It's a highlighter in a fall box. What is it? Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, so it's a liquid highlighter. I'm not gonna open this. I don't like liquid. I don't use liquid highlighters that much. I really don't care for them that much. And plus, it's winter. I'm not gonna be using a liquid highlighter anytime soon. So I'm not gonna open it or anything, just in case I may end up giving it away, or I may not try to use it until sometime next year, and I don't know what the expiration date on it is, but the cost of it is $19. Next up is this. Okay, so this is 7A, and this is from Natural Lab. Just so you know, my next door neighbors are renovating. They've been renovating now for 2 years. It took 1 year to build a house. I have no idea what they're doing. If you hear any noise, that is them, because I just heard them start again. So that's what you're hearing. This is a mask. Okay, so this is a hair mask treatment. It says that it restores dull hair from scalp to strand. It has keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oils. I actually need something like this. It's $16. I normally do use Fabfit. Always has some kind of hair mask, and I actually do enjoy using them. So I'm going to be giving this a try. I think that was it. So that's all. So that's what came in that Fabfitfun box. So I got the curling iron. I got the glasses. I got these hella expensive hairpins, the foot mask, and I have another one of these. I think the total value of this box was somewhere around $309, and I think the thing that made the box really was that curling wand. I'm not really happy with the box, but since we're doing our Fabfitfun box, I do have some items from my summer Fabfitfun box. I'll just show you those real quick, and then we can call this video a wrap. This one I think I customized. So this here is most of this is skincare. Like with Fabfitfun boxes, when I customize them, I tend to customize them mainly for skincare. They do have really good skincare in their boxes, and so I tend to go for the skincare items. So I have this here from Pearlie's. This is a watermelon enzyme 2-minute polishing peel, and I found I used to be allergic to watermelon. I think I still am. I think I still can't eat watermelon. Hold on. I think I can't eat watermelon, but apparently I can put watermelon on my skin because, oh, I'm not allergic to it again. It might have been Crohn's, I don't know. But when I was a kid, I ate watermelon. I had a horrible reaction to it, and I was told I was allergic to watermelon, and I went the rest of my life and I didn't eat watermelon candy, stayed away from anything that was watermelon. And then I got this here, the Glow Recipe watermelon mist, and you guys know how much I love this if you watch my videos. And at first I was hesitant to use it, but then I used it and nothing happened. So I think that's why I put this in my box. Again, this is from my summer box. And then I have something from Mercier. It is a rapid collagen infusion. That's this. And silicone straws, because apparently regular one-time use straws is on their way out, so I got this. This is really nice. I really am looking forward to wearing this during the winter, not to go outside the house with, but more as like a robe. This little thing here, and I don't know what the value of this box was, but that is it for my Fabfitfun box. Again, I will leave the information in the description bar in case you want to subscribe to Fabfitfun. There will also be a code there where you can get $10 off of your first Fabfitfun box. This is the end of the video. I said it was going to be a nice quick video. This is the end of it. As always, thank you guys so much for spending part of your day with me. Before you leave, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Subscribership is free, especially now that I have just returned. We've had to, you know, be like, we're just gonna let y'all subscribe for free. We don't know how long that's gonna last. If I'm you, I would take advantage of that because you don't know how long that's gonna last. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell because you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And guys, please be safe. Until next time, bye.